Oh man, this is a total cruiser now.
Oh my god, this thing is freaking torquey. Holy crap. Holy.
I'm filming you guys, both of you guys on the big bike.
Oh yeah.
You gotta remember, this thing is hefty.
It's heavy.
This is gonna be awesome. I'm so stoked.
Oh sweet. Matt, Epic Tax Productions on the vintage Chief.
Dave on the dark horse.
Dave on the dark horse.
Oh, this is a big girl, man.
She's a big gal.
Look at this windscreen.
Oh, 8 hangers.
This is the scary part. Oh man.
Going left is a bit scary. Parking lot of this thing, it's huge.
Oh my god. This thing is gonna move.
Oh, the running boards are so weird.
That's right. You don't have foot pegs.
I don't have foot pegs. I got running boards.
Yeah.
And it's very comfortable, I gotta tell you.
I think I'm gonna regret not riding that bike.
Oh man, it's big. It's a big bike.
I forgot where the shifter was. So far forward.
Sounds like it's got a bit of an exhaust leak or something. It's kind of ticky.
Maybe. Nobody's ever bought that thing.
Holy, this thing moves.
It's powerful.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing's got some torque. Woo!
It's comfy, man. This is like riding a couch.
You look pretty good on that thing, Dave. Here, slow down a bit so I can go beside you.
This girl doesn't know how to ride for Moist Nation. She's riding really slow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that covered
Is she on the
rear wheel.
bomber?
Yeah, no, it's just a regular.
Oh man. You look good, Dave.
Thank you.
Looks good, man. Suits you.
It's a big boy.
Wow, this bike fits me way better than the other model.
Yeah?
Holy. Just step on it a little bit. Let's see what I mean.
Can't. This girl's too slow.
Torquey.
There we go. Let her go.
All right. Step back a little.
Oh yeah. Nice linear torque. Just
120 pound-feet of torque, man. Do that.
man, this thing, yeah, hauls ass. I love the tassels. Oh geez, what is she doing?
She needs to really speed up, man.
She must be really nervous.
Yeah,
Well,
I think so.
don't get on her ass though.
No,
I'm not going
don't
to, but
pressure her.
it's
No.
honestly, it's hard not to. She's not riding into the group, and she's riding her slow.
Yeah. Nice shot of Matt here on the vintage with the tassel.
Oh baby.
Oh man. Look at you. Look
Yeah,
at you.
look pretty good at the APs there too.
You guys have a double up, a 2-up picture. You and Dave on this
We
thing.
do. I'll have to dig it out.
Yeah, yeah, and you get to actually ride it. It's amazing, Matt. Oh man, that's amazing.
Woohoo! This thing sounds good.
Yeah. It suits you, Matt.
Oh, I don't want to lean this thing.
It's
so
not bad. It's not bad.
It's scary.
Oh, come on.
Ah, no, it's fine. It's actually good.
So red line's at 5. Fuel cut is at 5, actually.
We make our own red lines.
But now I'm kind of regretting not going for the Chief.
This windscreen, it's just like, do you even win, bro? Look, I'm completely protected. It's got some weird buffeting on the top of my helmet.
What an experience.
You're probably making that girl really nervous, Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, look at the guys behind us. Look how far they are.
Yeah. It's just like if you have a slower rider, right? Just get nervous, that's
Man,
fine.
this thing is literally like riding a couch. Holy shit.
It's so
The whole
comfortable.
The seat just envelops your ass.
Like you could ride this to like the interior without even getting sore.
It's like,
Not even a little bit. Yeah, buddy, you look good. Good on the big, well, not so big, bobber. Nice,
No, it's
man.
not big, but it actually suits me more. Look, I'm so much more comfortable. I'm so much more comfortable
Yeah,
with
well,
it.
you've got the bars further back, right?
Yeah.
So,
this thing just loves like 2,500 RPM.
All right, I'm gonna get some Dave shots here.
Some big boy shot. These are sweet, man. These are really fun bikes.
How many cc's is this, Dave?
What?
Is this 1800?
There's
Dave.
Dave
1770.
on the dark horse.
Nice.
Wow, it's a big bike.
Look at that dark
Good
horse.
looking. It's a pretty looking bike. Oh, they're pushing her up a little bit. Good.
It's kind of got that dragger tail. Oh, this guy stalled it. Oh.
Uh-oh.
All right, go ahead around him.
Is he having trouble?
Go. Yeah.
Hold it. Who's behind me, Dave?
Yeah, and I'm going to open it up here.
Do it.
Hit red line like right as I opened it up.
Go past me.
This thing hauls.
There's Dave. Go ahead, Matt.
Okay.
Go past me.
I don't know what I did.
Wow.
I changed something and now I can't see RPM, but I can see voltage. And the battery light's on. So that's a little worrying.
Yeah, whatever.
Those guys are stuck back there.
Somebody
I
has
think it
trouble.
won't stop.
They're having trouble back there.
I think it stalled or something.
Yeah, he can't start it, or I think he died, and it won't start. That sucks on a demo ride.
Imagine if the
Dude,
bike
this
is dead.
This thing actually leaks. It's not bad. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, it's not bad. You guys aren't even close to scraping.
No, I know.
I mean, but just, yeah, like, it'll move.
Oh, Dave.
Wow, that was loud.
That was really loud. Sounds amazing. Oh, you got that big girl right over.
Yeah,
It's pretty good, man.
I gotta say, this bike is a lot more fun. Dave,
Please tell me you got that.
I think so. Santa doesn't really pick up that far though.
Do a full talk. I should just ride like this.
No wind. Zero wind whatsoever.
Just full talk everywhere, guys, on Harleys. Or on Indians.
I think this thing's got a bit of an exhaust leak or something.
I think it's just a stock exhaust. It's loud, man.
It is. Sounds good. Nicely done.
Oh, this has no problem speeding.
I have no, like, I'm completely confident on this bike.
It's very nimble.
Very confident inspiring.
For its size, like, this thing's 800 pounds, you know?
I just fall neutral.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could ride with a few hours in this.
Nice speed triple. Or was that a street triple? First gear in it.
He's not going into neutral. This thing's really easy to go into neutral with
Really?
the first and second.
Dude,
Yeah.
it's low in oil.
Neutral?
Yeah, it goes into neutral really easily.
Look at this giant tank of a bike I'm riding, and it's comfortable. And it's got tassels. I love it.
That's epic, man. Matt gets the best bike.
I know. I'm kind of jealous. I want to try a bigger bike.
You know, I hate to say it, but I think you could have ridden this pretty easily, man.
I think so.
It's
I
not
think
bad.
it would have been like stoplights
It's just heavy.
and stuff.
This thing goes, man.
Sounds good. Sounds like a proper V-twin, this thing.
Yep. Pretty much.
An Indian, man. It's beautiful.
I'm having too much fun leaning this thing over.
You're getting it pretty good, man. I'm not a little too scared to lean it that much.
This is a 730-pound bike, and I'm just like, look at it.
You're pretty fearless on that thing.
I don't really have much reason to be fearful. It's very easy. Like everything
Yeah, I know.
It's not like I don't feel like I can't get to anything. You know, like it's very
Yeah.
easy to flick.
Like going around the corners, you don't have to worry. It's high enough.
No. And
These running
you've got
boards.
so much floorboard to steer with your feet that you can just steer the thing and it moves because you're just
Like I'm just pushing
down.
my feet right now.
Yeah, that's exactly it. And it's got so much leverage because it's so big.
I had to ask somebody how to turn it on because I couldn't figure it out. How do you turn this thing on? Oh, it's got a push button, right?
Yeah, I was having the same problem. Behind, you do have a tack, man. There's a button on behind on the clutch side, behind, in front of the clutch lever, on the back of the switch gear. Press that. You'll notice the gauge will change.
Oh, look at that,
Flip
eh?
through it.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Assuming you have the same gauge cluster.
But I don't have a tack. Oh yeah, I do.
Oh, yeah,
But
you
it
do.
switches to voltage.
Yeah, I had it on voltage by accident.
That's very strange.
But yeah, now you got a tack. With your 5,000 RPM red line.
Funny, 3,000 RPM sounds so high on this thing.
Ooh.
I could totally enjoy this one.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'm having more fun on this than I was on the other scope.
Really, eh?
I don't know. The other one, it felt faster for sure. This thing feels torquier.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Like, I kind of like making bikes that shouldn't lean. Kind of reminds me of the FJ. Like,
Yep.
it's a big girl, but she'll dance if you make her.
Yeah, she'll boogie. This thing will boogie too.
This bike is the equivalent of a couch.
Like, you just cruise on this thing.
Whoa.
It's so like,
These are all coaches.
Like, my ass is just enveloped into the seat. Like, I've already made an ass groove.
what do you think this bike's worth though? Like 30 grand?
It's 30 grand at least.
Yeah.
This one's 30 grand.
Too rich for me, Junior.
Yep.
Too rich for my blood.
I mean, if I was a rich old white man.
Yep, this would be the bike. I'm not gonna lie, the tassels are growing on me. They're sick. It just suits the bike.
It does. It totally does.
It's an Indian, man.
Retro,
It's gotta
very
be
retro. Look,
gotta be retro.
That's why I like this bike too. Like, I think Harley just tries to make the exact same bikes versus like
Yeah.
Indian kind of does like a kind of an Art Deco look. and
Indian's
I
got the Art
really-
Deco, and they've just got class and style.
That's exactly it.
You know, like Harley doesn't really have that,
No, they don't.
in my
Oh,
opinion.
there's, that's the chief beside you?
It's nice,
No, this
Chief.
is the Chief. Oh yeah, yeah.
Wow, sounds good.
Wow, that's loud.
It's a loud bike.
Sounds real good.
Everybody's revving their engines back
Yeah.
there.
Look at how big the tank is on this thing. I wonder how many liters it is. It's got to be like 30.
I wonder where the guy that, oh,
I don't know. I think that's him right there.
no, it's not him. Or maybe.
This guy kind of snuck up beside me.
Yeah, I know. I kind of let him.
That's
I think
okay.
that's his wife up there.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Fine, I guess. Let the guy ride with his wife, why don't we?
roadkill.
Oh, yeah.
Like a possum.
Why,
Yeah,
you
it's
didn't see that earlier?
No, I didn't actually.
Really?
No.
I was trying to avoid that earlier.
Gross. There's that giant rock in the middle of the road back there, too.
You guys see
Oh,
that?
yeah.
You guys see that right-hand drive Miata?
I did. That was a clean car.
Yeah, I saw that. You know,
A Miata.
Your signal's on, by the way.
Thanks, man. I do that all the time.
don't want to look too embarrassing.
Buddy, you'll hit the rev limiter in first so easily.
I haven't done
Hit
that
it like
yet.
every time I've opened it in first. Man, that's a good looking bike. Signal's on again.
What the hell?
Your left signal. I think you keep on flicking it when you're playing around with the grip there. Funny, that guy was probably like, those guys are gonna beat me up.
I'm on a tough boy bike. No, I'm on an old man bike. I don't know, guys. Cruisers are pretty cool.
I'd still be embarrassed to ride your bike, though, Matt.
I'm strangely not embarrassed.
Honestly,
Yeah, right now you're not, but would you go ride around downtown on that thing?
yeah, why not?
Why not?
People are going to expect you to have like a white beard.
Yeah, totally. I'm getting
And
there.
then they'll see the young guy in the big. Wow, that's cool.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that. He must be gay.
He was-
Taking this bad boy to Davie Street. This is going to Davie Street.
Wow, that's loud.
Matt, your bike sounds exactly the same.
Damn, that's loud.
Oh yeah, go beside me.
Oh, yeah, I got you guys.
Oh,
I
yeah.
like
Yeah.
it's got a brake caliper cover on
Yeah,
the fender.
Yeah.
Weird.
So does yours.
Noticed that.
You guys should hold hands.
totally.
You guys should hold hands.
All right, Dave, come here.
Let's go do some more twisties.
Oh, you can't.
Put it on cruise control, Matt. And we'll hold hands.
Oh, is that cruise control?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Wait, are you ready?
That moment of love.
This thing feels good, man. Roll on torque is nice.
This would be really nice, like climbing up a mountain pass.
Or even just going up like the Coke or something.
Yeah, just up the Coca-Cola or Crow's Nest or something.
Oh, it's coming to an end. I'm so
I know.
disappointed.
This is way too much fun.
So we're doing this again next year, right? She's a big girl, but she'll dance.
We'll take care of you.
That was fun.
That was a
That was
real good
a lot of
time.
fun. I had more fun this time. Way more
Alright.
fun. Way more fun.
Alright.
I think everyone did.
That is the end of our Indian visit.
End of our visit, boys. Indian motorcycles test ride.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, these guys. Motorsports,
See this guy
Yes.
Motorsports. Thank you. Thank you, Indian.
Very Hospital.
And thank you, Indian,
Thank you, Indian.
for giving us a thrill on your bike.
It's different. but it's sweet. It's awesome. It's pretty fun.
I think,
It's gorgeous.
but yeah, we're just gonna hang around and.
Thank
yeah,
you very
maybe-
much. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Yeah, have a hot dog maybe.
Yeah.
Awesome. Dave. Yeah.
Epic bike today,
Oh man. You
and
can't
I should have ridden it.
look at this thing.
But now he can boast to everyone that he rode this thing.
I love the color. It's just beautiful.
It's epic track.
So it's a 4 blue light.